3 root x is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, how do we solve this? Now, first thing to do here is to divide both sides by 3. So we are going to have 3 here and 3 here. So that what we are left on this side is root x to be equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by root 2. Okay, again, we can decide to divide both sides by root 2. So divide this side by root 2 and divide this side by root 2, so that what we have from here is root x over root 2 to be equal to 2 over 3. We're getting somewhere. Now from this point, we can write this question as all in square root of x over 2 to be equal to 2 over 3. Alright? Now if you decide to take both powers and square them by 2, okay, so it means that this square will take these square roots, so that we are going to have x over 2 left here, and then from on this side we are going to have 2 squared, which is 4, and 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, now multiplying both sides by 2, we have, if you multiply this side by 2 and multiply this side by 2, we have what's left here to be x. Okay, and this is equal to 4 times 2 is 8 over 9. Hence, the answer to this question is that x is equal to 8 over 9. Cheers.